Hello, future engineers. Welcome to a quick overview over a little extra project that you can find yourself doing if you have completed the train completely. It is creating a keychain, such as this. I will 3D print out for you and you can pick it up if you'd like. Otherwise, you can just model it. We'll learn some new tools along the way. So, in order to make something like this, what we first want to do is start with a reference image. So I went and I found the Stevenson logo, but you can do any kind of logo that you wanted to. You want to make sure that the logo is one nice, concise piece. So that's what I did over here. Now, how we get started is we start a new part. So I would create a new part, and you can do this in inches or millimeters, doesn't matter. I will be scaling the keychain appropriately. So we start a 2D sketch, and then we want to place an image, such as the one that we downloaded, into our file. Now, this image could be way too large, like as in the case of the image that I have here, or could be really small. So this one is too large. So you would scale that down to an appropriate size. If we were to print this one out, it would be quite literally a shield. So once we have the image placed, we can scale it down by throwing a dimension in here. A good rule of thumb is we don't want this to go over 3 inches, which is around 75 millimeters or so. So got that placed right there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace all the features using either a line or a spline. There are 2 types of splines. Whichever one you use doesn't really matter. The cool thing with these spline tools is that as you trace the part, you can change the way that the spline moves around the shape. So if I have the spline and I'm trying to trace this green curve over here, I might place a couple in a row. I can always hit my green check, and then they have these little nodes that you can grab and move the line so that it lines up perfectly with the image that we are tracing. And then once you have completed a closed loop, you can extrude it to a different height. You can see that we are printing this all in one color, so I did different levels of extrusions to show that there might be different colors. It's just another way to show depth to your actual model. Once you have this all modeled and extruded out, then you are good to go, and I will print it out for you. That's it. If you have any questions, please reach out. I'll talk to you later. Bye.